Hi, this is Miss Cox, and today I'm going to show you how to build a house for your build a house project. I'm just going to give you a few tips to get you started. I'm not going to tell you everything, sorry. But first, let's start with this first step. Draw a window and use a for loop. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see, this is my roof. This is the house. And this is the door. That's kind of key. I want to make sure I keep that in mind as I'm drawing things. So if I put the windows here between the roof and the house, they're going to disappear. So I want to make sure the roof or the windows are after the house is drawn. So first, let's draw a window. So let's make the window, what color? Let's make it a shiny yellow window. Sure. And let's make the window, let's see. I want it to be about here and here. Let's say, what is that? Let's say estimate it's 100, 200. Let's try that. 100, 200, maybe like 50 by 50. Oh, beautiful. So now I've got a window. Here's the next thing I'm going to want to do is actually repeat that, correct? So to repeat it, it says we need to use a for loop. So now, here I'm going to put for parentheses, and we need to start with a variable. So I'm going to say, let's say we want to repeat this 3 times. So I want 3 windows. So I'm going to put for I is equal, or var I, because we're creating this variable I, and we're going to have this repeat 3 times. So I'm going to put I less than 3, because it'll be 1, 2, or 0, 1, 2. And the last step, oh, I forgot that you have to put semicolon, so my bad. I less than 3. And then the last part is how much we're increasing I each time. I'm going to say I plus plus because we're increasing I once. Now, in the for loop, what are we doing? Well, we want to create the window, but the problem right now is we're telling it to do this 3 times, but we didn't tell this to change at all. And what we need changed is, let's say I want the X position to change so it moves over 3 times. So this X I need to change. So it's X, let's say, well, let's say I want to increase it by, I don't know, what should that be? By 50? I don't know. So let's say 50 times I. So if I have that, meaning for every time this is drawn, it's going to move it 50 more over because it's multiplying this with I. The problem is this looks like a freakish bug house. So I am going to increase the multiplication to, let's try 100. Well, maybe that's too much. So if I adjust this, I can get exactly what I want. Maybe I want that. And now I have still kind of a freakish yellow bug-eyed house. Maybe I'd want to add some other things if I'm going to go with the bug theme. I don't know, the 3 windows make me think of bug eyes. If you want to go with the bug theme, you could, when you're drawing the row of grass, maybe make the grass giant because it's a bug house. Maybe it's a miniature house.